Hi people, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showing you my Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. मेरे पास बहुत कुछ है, from skin care, hair care, body care, makeup, everything I have. क्योंकि मेरे बहुत सारे repurchases भी हैं and बहुत सारे wish listed products भी हैं. So without wasting any more time, let's just dive right into it. Starting off with body care. So as a ritual, I ordered the Dove body wash. This one is in the variant lavender and chamomile. बहुत सारे variants हैं इसके, but I was always eager to try this one. And Nykaa की sale पे it's always on 50% off or buy one get one free. I ordered on 50% and इसकी smell is not quite like what I had expected of lavender and chamomile. थोड़ी सी medicinal वाली. I wanted to try it, so I will definitely do that. And for winters तो मेरे husband का और मेरा काम चल जाएगा इससे. Next product जिसके लिए मैं इतना excited थी और इतना contemplate किया है मैंने is the Dove body scrub. For the longest time I wanted a body scrub and मैंने इतनी videos देखी, इतने लोगों से बात करी in my circle also, and everybody suggested just forget and get that. I got it in the variant crushed macadamia and rice milk. मतलब इसकी smell, this was the highly rated on Nykaa and smells beautiful. Consistency is not that runny and इसमें crushed beads हैं so that it can exfoliate the body. मतलब मैं तो fragrance पे I was like this is my repurchase. मेरी list में चला गया ये already. It's that core memory वाला thing and I'm so happy that I got it. Now let's move on to hair care. Hair care में मैंने ज़्यादा नहीं लिया है. My staples are from Anomaly shampoos. One is in the strengthening variant and this is like the detoxifying variant. Always get them on buy one get one. मुझे अच्छा result दिखा है. This I use once in a week. This I use consistently, alternating between other shampoos as well. And इसमें I used it throughout the summers and I did notice less hair fall in my case. So yeah, these are my constant. Got a new conditioner. This is the L'Oreal Hyaluron range में से and yeah इसका काफी अच्छा review था and my friends and family also suggested that this conditioner is really good. I'll give it a try और ये काफी ज़्यादा off पे था. I think I got it for like 40% off, so that's a sweet deal for me. Now let's move on to skincare. Again, the first thing I got is the Simple Acne Prone face wash. इसमें exfoliating beads हैं. This is like a detoxifying face wash. It's very good for my acne prone skin and my skin is just not skinning these days. Off tha like buy two products and get like 10% extra off. So I went ahead and bought the ultra light moisturizer. I'm yet to use it, but क्योंकि मेरी इतनी oily skin है, anything light and moisturizing, I'm up for it. And काफी runny है I think ये. Yeah, it's like literal water. ये ऐसे absorb हो जाएगा ये. So I'm excited to try this because even in winters जब skin इतनी dry हो रही होती है सबकी, my skin likes to stay oily. The next product is another holy grail product. It's my staple from Plum Goodness. This is the 10% niacinamide face serum. I have used bottles and bottles and bottles of this. I wanted to get the new 50 ml one, but वो out of stock हो गया था and I had to make the purchase. So I went ahead and got the 30%. मैं 50% वाला इसके बाद ले लूंगी because obviously it's in my repurchase list. I got another of my favorites. This is their green tea skin clearing face mask. Yeah, this is the one. Like if you have acne prone skin now, this mask is literally your best friend because this is my best friend. This is the lightest and fastest working clay mask in the market right now. Another tub, पता नहीं मैं कितने tubs खत्म कर चुकी हूँ, but this is just chef's kiss. Next, I got the entire range of barrier control from Dot & Key for my husband because his skin काफी dry हो रही थी, so he wanted something more moisturizing and I had already ordered this for him. So I got this from Dot & Key. And for myself, I repurchased their Retinol Night Cream. This is by far the best Retinol Ceramide Night Cream I've used. Initially, I was using the Plum one. वो उतना ज़्यादा मुझे पसंद नहीं आ रहा था, but this really good. बहुत lightweight है ये and it actually works. When I put it in the night, so मेरी plump सी skin होती है, not oily at all. So I love this. Another purchase from Plum is a repurchase. Their 5% niacinamide face serum. This is for my husband. He loves this product. Clearly, हम दोनों को niacinamide बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Whenever you buy from Plum, कुछ ना कुछ तो फ्री मिलता ही है. Their new body mist, like smoking vanilla नहीं try किया था इनका, and to my surprise I got the full size in their body mist for free. I have tried their vanilla vibes definitely, but this is more like my fragrance. वो मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा vanilla हो जाता है, but this is just I love this. And the other thing I got was So Vanilla, their trio set free from my purchase with Plum. Next, I got two things from Garnier Skin Naturals, and this is a staple, holy grail, micellar cleansing water oil infused. I got the big bottle this time because छोटी bottle कितनी खरीदूंगी मैं. And next is their face mask. This is the Sakura Glow Hyaluron Face Serum Mask. This is in particular a very good one. इसको लगाने के बाद काफी अच्छा glow आ जाता है. So कभी-कभी I prefer using this mask. I got their vitamin C serum gel, face gel free. ये 30 grams का product है. Yeah, I got the whole big size free. So let's move on to makeup. So starting off with makeup, I bought two foundations. First one is the most viral one, Face Anything from House of Makeup. Their skin tint, luminous skin tint with hyaluronic acid, and this is how it looks. Shade M05, if you can see that. It's written very tiny, बहुत छोटा सा है लिखा है. I actually expected a bigger bottle in this, but ठीक है, it says 35 ml, so and it's a skin tint. Thought that the shade is not gonna match me, but I'm wearing the shade today. It blended like anything, and the coverage मैंने expect नहीं किया था because it's a skin tint. इतनी अच्छी coverage होगी इसकी, but it is even after setting with a loose powder, you can see the glow. I haven't applied any highlighter, and this is the glow on the face. So I get the hype. And the next foundation I got is e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. This is a new launch from e.l.f. and I was so excited to try it. मैंने जानबूझ के order नहीं करा था because I knew Nykaa की Pink Friday sale आने वाली है, and उस पे e.l.f. पे always buy one get one होता है. So yeah, I got it in the shade 30 medium warm, and this is how the shade looks. काफी yellow लगता है ये, but blend होके it suits my skin. अच्छे से blend करने पे गायब ही हो जाता है स्किन में, and gives like a luminous yet matte finish. Luminous finish रहती है if you are like dry type, you can just leave it at that, but oily skin को थोड़ा सा set करने की जरूरत रहेगी, काफी luminous रहता है ये. And e.l.f. पे buy one get one था, steely. Next, I got a very viral, very staple, very cult favorite concealer from L'Oreal Paris. This is their infallible full wear concealer in the shade 14 beige. I got it in the color 14 beige, and because they have such a less range, मैंने पहले से नहीं लिया था because I wasn't sure कि I should get this color or not. But now that I have tried it for like 2 times, even today I'm wearing this, I feel I can make it work. And yeah, it's pretty close to my other concealer colors as well. So if you're my shade, you can definitely try this one. The coverage is amazing. The blendability, easily blend हो जाता है ये easily, but don't leave it for too much time. Like आप कुछ seconds ही इसको छोड़ो if you want to, because काफी जल्दी dry हो जाता है ये. Get the hype, why is it a cult favorite? So I got it about 45 कुछ ऐसे 40% off में मुझे मिला है, कुछ 450 rupees का. So that is a steal. The next product is another a viral product from Nykaa itself. This is their Nykaa Get Cheeky blush stick, and I got it in the shade Berry Cute. This is the most gorgeous pink shade. The packaging, hot chrome pink, and such a sturdy packaging. Just look at that. इस पे भी covering है. I love the berry tone, the undertone of it. It's a warm berry tone color which works absolutely best on my skin tone. I was very glad to get this one. Next is another viral product. I'm telling you, I ordered all of the wish listed and all the viral products जो मैं पहले नहीं order कर पाई. मैंने सेल में पूरा फायदा उठाया है. And this is from K Beauty, their illuminating liquid luminizer enriched with carrot oil. This broke the internet. I think this broke the internet absolutely. I always reach towards powder products, but this particular shade, I tried it in one of the stores, I think Lifestyle में K Beauty है. Let me wait for the sale, and I got it in the shade Sparkling. This, just look at this. Blinding है ये, blinding. And I totally get the hype. Wow. And does not lift off any product. From underneath, लगता नहीं है कि आपने कुछ लगाया है. It's like all the glow from within. And especially for like medium skin tone, dusky skin tone pe, these colors, like this bronze shade, is absolutely stunning. Best part, it does not make my face oily. Like you can see the shine right now. It's glowing. Oily look नहीं आ रहा है, glowy look आ रहा है, and that's the biggest pet peeve I have being an oily type person, कि मैं glowy लग रही हूँ या मैं oily लग रही हूँ. So yeah, this is definitely glowing, luminizing. So I love this product. I repurchased K Beauty's loose powder, but this time I got it in the shade Banana. मेरे पास translucent है. That's how it looks. Packaging is always on point with K Beauty. मतलब the embossing is just lovely, and This is like a brightening shade for me. Translucent wala sometimes I feel I see in my pictures. In person to ठीक लगता है, but in photo बस a flashback आ रहा है या my eyes are looking grey. I wanted to give this banana one a try. So let's. And then I got one of their eyeshadow stick for free. This is in the shade Blushed Moonlight. This is like a peachish copper shade. Yeah, this is the one. Peachish copper shade है ये, and the best part is आप इसको just put it all over your eyelid, match it with your outfit. काफी muted सा color है ये. It's very easily काफी अच्छे से blend हो जाता है. So just put it all over your eye. एक हल्का सा shimmer will be there, and I'm always happy to get freebies, especially from K Beauty. Always happy. So this time I wanted to try Color Pop. This is on buy and get one free because Colourpop is famous for their eye products. I got both of in different variants. So this is like a eyeshadow stick. This is a pressed eyeshadow. I was very excited for the eyeshadow stick. आज मैंने वही लगाया है आँखों पे. Like it's a mix of these two, like combo of these two. And this is in the shade Coca. This is in the shade Coca, and it's a coppery, shimmery, glittery shade. मेरे हाथ में दिखेगा भी नहीं. This is how it looks. For the longest time, I wanted like a copper eyeshadow shimmer वाला shade. This is still more like towards the brownie side. उतना copperish नहीं है ये, but looks really good on the eyes. अभी तो मैंने सारा eyeshadow खराब कर दिया ये लगा के. But this blends really pretty. You can see it in the video. The other shade, the pressed glitter, is a viral shade in Ritz. Look at the shine and the glitter and the shimmer. I am all for it. मुझे इतना पसंद है ना. It's so buttery. Wow. Just look at the shift. It's a perfect eyeshadow topper. किसी भी eyeshadow पे, if you just press it multiple times, आप इसे ऐसे rub करोगे ना, and this is what I've done today. And just look at the shift. सिर्फ और सिर्फ glitter दिख रहा है. This will work on so many. Just look at my eyes. Perfect. This will work with every skin tone. That's the best. Another eye product I got is from Lamel Beauty. Lamel Makeup. Yeah, Lamel Makeup. This is their Mad Eyes Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade 402 Macchiato. I saw this in Shreya Jain's video, and ever since I was really intrigued about the color कि मेरे eyelid पे कैसा लगेगा ये. And this is like a brown shade but with berry undertones. Once it sets matte. So this is a very good product for summer days and even winter days में you can do eyeliners with it very easily. I'll try and do an eyeliner because I love this berry tone brown shade on me. इसे 250 rupees का पड़ा था after discount from Lamel. This is one thing I wanted to try from the brand and turned out pretty well. First is their Colossal Mascara. I was living under a rock. I did not know that Colossal Mascara comes in a washable variant as well. मैं अभी तक इसको इसीलिए नहीं purchase कर रही थी because it was waterproof and I've used the waterproof version. It is a nightmare for my eyes. निकलता नहीं है ये वो बिल्कुल भी. So when I saw the washable variant, I was like, let me try this, and I kid you not, I am wearing this right now without any eyelash color or false lashes, as you can see in the video also. These are my natural lashes and the lift it gives. Lovely new favorite. Next we move on to ELF. I had to get their Reviver lip oil in the shade Jam Session. This is one of the viral products on TikTok, US, everywhere. The other one is the bronzer. I'll show you the bronzer first. This is a cream to powder bronzer, luminous putty bronzer in the shade Sun Chaser. This shade was a gamble for me because online Nykaa पे उसके shades या तो बहुत ही light लग रहे थे या बहुत dark लग रहे थे. So I was like, let's try and go for the middle shade, and this is how it looks. पैन में मुझे लग नहीं रहा था कि ये इतना ल्यूमिनस फिनिश होगी इसकी. कैन यू सी दैट? एंड आई एम वेयरिंग इट राइट नाउ. इतना ब्यूटिफुल शैडो इसने मुझे दिया है. इट्स नॉट दैट कूल टोन, इट्स नॉट दैट ब्राउन टोन. ये कुछ मिडिल न्यूट्रल टाइप का कलर है विच आई एब्सोल्युटली लव इन माई कॉन्टोर्स एंड ब्रॉन्जर शेड. दिस इज नॉट एक्जैक्टली अ ब्रॉन्जर शेड फॉर मी, एंड it's not that pigmented, so you can actually control कि आपको कितना pigment अपने face पे चाहिए, which I absolutely love. In the pan, it's cream formula. I'll show you here. In the pan, it's cream formula and काफी sheer सी finish है इसकी, and you can definitely build it up. So new bronzer in my kitty. Next is, now I'll show the Glow Reviver lip oil from ELF. The bottle in itself is luxurious packaging. The color is stunning. This is the color. It's highly sheer. मतलब लगता नहीं आपने कुछ लगाया है. The applicator is beautiful. It's a thick doe foot applicator, and कलर में यू कैन डेफिनेटली लाइक बिल्ड इट अप एंड बहुत हल्का सा बेरी टोन कलर है इसका. इट स्मेल्स पोलो की तरह फ्रेग्रेंस है इसकी एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दैट बिकॉज इट हैज मेंथॉल एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो काफी अच्छा प्लम्पिंग इफेक्ट आता है इससे एंड द शाइन इट प्रोवाइड्स. एंड even if the shine goes, it has that hydrating and nourished feeling on the lips, which I love because of my forever chapped lips. Next in the lip category, I got two again viral products. One is L'Oreal Colorish lipstick. This is the volume matte lipstick in the shade Worth It Medium. I heard that this was a dupe of Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Medium, but I feel कि ये थोड़ा सा dark है. Although I don't have the medium from Charlotte Tilbury, I feel that this is a bit more darker than the Charlotte Tilbury medium, but it's a beautiful, gorgeous brown, proper brown, dark brown shade for my skin tone, as you can see, and the finish. Beautiful. Obviously it's a cream product, so it does transfer, it does budge, but the packaging is velvety sort of packaging है इसकी, and obviously it's L'Oreal, it's iconic, the formulation chef's kiss. Next is a new launch that I was very excited कि ये sale के around ही launch हुआ है. This is the Maybelline Lift Up Plump Gloss. This is how it looks. इसमें maximum plump with chili pepper, and kid you not, I tried it the other day. It does feel tingling, and मेरे पास Too Faced Injection Extreme है. That is very mellow. Extreme होते हुए that is very mellow, but this, it stings. It stings. So if you have sensitive lips, just stay away from it. But if you still want that plumpness and juiciness in your lips, this is the one to go for. I got hot chili. So color का नाम ही hot chili है, and this is the finish. काफी शाइनी है ये एंड काफी sheer finish है. Again, you can build it up. So yeah, this is the one thing I got. And with my Maybelline purchase, I got NYX Professional Satin Finish makeup setting spray free कि मेरे पास already था, and this is apparently my free repurchase. इसका pump is really amazing. With Nykaa, I got their Black Magic Kajal for free. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed my chota sa haul. Don't be pressurized to buy any of these products if you don't need them. Don't fall into the FOMO. मैंने भी ये सब इसलिए खरीदे because I genuinely wanted to try on my personal level. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you really liked it. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have tried any of these products. Do you hate them? Do you love them? Or if you want any reviews on a particular product, do let me know in the comment section. I would love to do that for you. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends. And if you like my content, if you like the vibe, if you like my reviews and suggestions, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in my next. Till then, bye bye. I love you all.